So in this question we are given A and B are two acute angles, which means A is also less than 90 degree and B is also less than 90 degree. And we have given an relation 2A plus 2B is equal to pi, and at the maximum value of sin A multiplied by sin B. So first of all we will take 2 common, then it will become A plus B is equal to 2 goes in this side on the RHS in divide pi by 2. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. We will put here 90 degree. From this equation, if we take B to the right side, it will become A is equal to 90 degree minus B. Now we will imply the formula sin A minus B. Here compare with this formula of trigonometry. Sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Put the value here. A is 90 degree and B is B. So if we simplify after putting value, this becomes sin 90 sin 90 cos B minus cos 90 sin B. The value of cos 90 and sin B is cos 90 degree is 0, and if we multiply anything by 0, that also becomes 0, minus 0. If we subtract 0 from something, then that thing don't sense. And sin B on outside. Now sin 90 degree value is 1. Replace it by 1, it becomes the 1. So cos B into sin B. Cos B sin B. We know the formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. If we take 2 to the left side, it becomes sin 2 theta upon 2 is equal to sin theta cos theta. Compare, put B in place of theta, which become sin 2b upon 2 is equal to sin B cos B. Sin B cos B and cos B sin B are same. So sin 2b upon 2. Then sin 2b maximum value is any function of sin theta. Here we can consider to be theta or any angle. The maximum value of sin function can be 1. So maximum value of upper portion will be 1 and below 1 is 2 constant. So its maximum value will be 1 upon 2. So here comes final answer. Maximum value of sin A dot sin B is 1 upon 2 half.